Trust your emerald heart. Be who you came here to be. Unlock your true potential. Hello. I'm very glad to connect with you and to invite you to an event where we are going to talk about sacred sexuality and what that actually is. You know, when we think about sexuality, there are lots of things which pop up in our mind, and we know that sexuality is our divine right, but at the same time, this topic has been a taboo. This topic has been very distorted, and there are lots of different things which are mixed up with it, so that we are conditioned to think that it is wrong, it is bad. All these religious things were making us believe that this is not something that we should be doing. Although this energy, this fire which you all have within you, this beautiful, amazing life force, if it is used properly, you can use it for creativity. You can use it to enhance your life, to take your life to a different level. And this is what sacred sexuality is about. And when we speak about divine union, when we speak about proper templates which are to be set up in the society, divine feminine, divine masculine, in a sacred union, bringing up these energies together and giving birth to the sacred child, which is a child or a project or a creative transformational something which came up to life when these two energies were mixed up. And when these two energies connected and united, this is what sacred sexuality is about. And when we speak about relationship, we project, okay, the man is supposed to be masculine and he's supposed to be bringing this energy, and this and that particular quality is supposed to be applied to him, and this is the feminine, these and that quality is supposed to be on her and her like representations. But at the same time, there are lots of different roles the masculine and the feminine are taken. And there can be, for example, speaking about feminine, there can be a role of divine mother, there can be a role of divine seductress, there can be a role of maiden, and the masculine also has different roles, like a divine father, protector, warrior. All different kind of roles and archetypes are mixed up together, and we often forget that we are to unite all of those archetypes in a pure vessel of creation, an amazing balance when it comes into a dance, when it comes into a love making with life. And that is what sacred sexuality is about. And obviously, to use this fire of sexuality in your creation, you have to be a pure vessel of creation, right? And for that, special type of chakra work and energy work is required. And I would like to invite you to join my Sacred Sexuality masterclass and workshop, and after that I will be very happy to see you all in my online program Life Through the Heart Space, in which we are not going to move the energy from the bottom to the top and do that, but we are going to use our sexual energy for our creativity, which is an amazing opportunity because you will rotate the energy from the top till the bottom and around on the spiral, and will rest in your heart in the unconditional love at the end, so that your creation, your thing which you create, it can be a child or it can be a project, it can be whatever you put your attention on, will be the pure devotional love and filled up with this love. And in that case, it will for sure bring you divine abundance. And that is what it's all about, right? When you unite divine love, divine purpose, and divine abundance, comes as a result for sure, because we are here to flourish with our gifts. We are here to be our true selves. We are here to bloom in our garden. We are here to express our gifts, to share what we have to share, and to be this pure vessel of creation, to bring that light into the society, into the creativity, into the self-expression. So sacred sexuality is actually about being a pure vessel of creation and balancing those feminine and masculine energies within you first, prior to entering the sacred union, which is also another topic for us to talk about, right? And then with that energy, you can learn how to heal, how to vision, and how to manifest, and how to create in terms of pure divine bliss. And I would be very happy to host it for you. I'm looking forward. Look at the details below and accompanying these videos so that you can find out more. I will be very happy to host you and see how we all start being a little bit more radiant, a little bit more happy, a little bit more blissful, and a little bit more centered in our heart. I love you all. See you soon.